Early morning or late afternoon are the best times to repair a driveway crack because cooler, shaded conditions and stable temperatures improve adhesion and curing. When planning the repair, start by cleaning the crack thoroughly, using a stiff brush and a shop vacuum or compressed air to remove all loose debris and dust, since any remaining particles prevent the sealant from bonding. Measure the surface temperature with an infrared thermometer if available, and avoid working when the pavement exceeds 80 degrees Fahrenheit, spelled out as 80 degrees Fahrenheit, because high heat causes rapid skinning of the material and weak adhesion. Pick a sealant or patching compound rated for the expected temperature range and moisture conditions, and read the manufacturer directions for pot life and recoat windows, because those determine workable time and curing expectations. For narrow cracks, use a backer rod inserted to the recommended depth so the sealant adheres to the sides only and not the bottom, which reduces material waste and improves flexibility. Work methodically in small sections, keeping your tools and material shaded and cool, and smooth the surface with a simple trowel or putty knife dampened slightly with water or solvent if the product instructions allow, to prevent sticking. Allow the repair to cure fully before opening to traffic and verify by pressing lightly at the edge. If it yields or smears, it needs more cure time and you should protect it with signage or temporary barriers. Common mistakes include sealing when the surface is too hot, which results in poor bond and early failure, so avoid midday sun and check surface temperature before starting. Another issue is failing to remove dust and vegetation, which causes delamination, so always wire brush and vacuum the crack, and use a weed killer if roots persist. A third concern is applying too thin a layer or not using a backer material in deep cracks, which causes the sealant to sag or crack again, so fill deep voids with a compressible backer rod to the recommended depth and apply the product at the manufacturer's suggested thickness. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by providing a marketplace where they can browse profiles and project examples and post their needs. We also help contractors find work and connect with interested homeowners, and we host a discussion community on the site where members share real-world tips and timing advice for projects like driveway crack repairs.